Many people enjoy eating egg salad, but many people don't like the work that's involved with actually making it. I've always loved egg salad, and my favorite is my Nana's Family Famous egg salad. And although no one will ever make anything quite like our grandmas do, my foolproof way can sure come close to a delicious substitute. First, we need to gather our ingredients. We'll need 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of pickle relish. The pickle relish is optional, but I like it better in mine because it kind of gives it a sour taste and it's not so bitter and just tastes like regular eggs. It kind of gives it a little bit more flavor. We also need to get the things that we need to use to prepare it. You need a pot big enough to put your eggs in. To also have the water in that can go 1 inch above the eggs without boiling over, just in case. And we'll need a measuring cup I just use a measuring cup to pour the water over onto the eggs. And measuring spoons to measure out your mayonnaise, your mustard, and your pepper and your salt. And then a mixing bowl to mix everything in once it's finished, a fork, a strainer, and also a covered dish. Now that we have all that ready and all together, we're ready to start preparing it. You bring your eggs to a boil over medium heat. Once they start to boil, you cover them, push them to a back burner that's not on or transfer to a countertop, and cover them with a lid for around 12 to 14 minutes, depending on if you have medium eggs or extra large eggs. And once they're all cooked and everything's done, you can take them to your sink and pour them out in a strainer. Pour some cold water over them so it'll stop the cooking process, and then you'll peel them. And then you can take your freshly peeled eggs and put them in your mixing bowl. And then after that, you can top your eggs with the rest of your ingredients, the mayonnaise, the mustard, the relish if you prefer, and the pepper and the salt. And then now that you've done all that, we're finally ready for our last step in our egg salad preparation. You take your fork that you gathered earlier, and you mash your eggs while also doing a mixing motion to mix in all your ingredients to make sure they're thoroughly mixed through. And now that everything is well mixed, you can take a spoon and you can transfer the egg salad into your covered dish. And then once it's in the covered dish, you chill it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Some people like it hot, but I prefer it to be a little bit chilled. That's kind of just whatever your preference is. And after the half-hour mark, you're ready to enjoy your egg salad on crackers or bread, or by itself, just however you prefer to eat it. And in conclusion, making egg salad may seem more complicated than it actually is, but by following my method, you'll be sure to get it done and in a very quick and effective manner. And now that you know what ingredients to use and the method for making it, you're ready to make your own. And here is mine. You can see the relish and on the pepper and everything. It's got a nice color to it. But I'm done with my demonstration, and now you guys know how to make egg salad.